Hey guys, it's Mr. Hodges. I just wanted to walk you through the some of the quizzes. This is the verb review, the English to Latin verb one. This is probably going to be the most difficult of them all, so I hope that this is a helpful walkthrough. You'll see in the bottom corner down here that I have the foldable out that we made last week or 2 weeks ago. This is incredibly helpful and will be incredibly helpful for you if you have it with you. So if you don't have it, I would suggest going ahead and getting it out so you can reference it like I'm going to reference it down here. So we'll just start with question 1. The idea here is you're given the English, you were sleeping. Well, you're given all the words up here that you need. So we find the word sleeps. It's here at dormit. I'm giving you the present, an imperfect form, and a perfect form. So trying to figure out first, based on the English, what tense is this at all? So you see, you were sleeping. We've gone over this a lot in class. Anything with like were exing, was or were exing will be imperfect. So we want to be able to say you were sleeping. You can repeat to yourself bom ba spot bomus bati spot if you remember that. If you don't though, that's what the foldable is for. So here in the middle we have the imperfect tense. I've already cut mine open. You may have not have done that, and that's totally fine. Alright, so you open it up on the inside. This is kind of difficult to see, so I'm going to zoom in here. Alright. So we used in ours the verb to lose, amito, amitere. So, just kind of instead of losing, we're going to use sleeping here. You can notice that's amite bam, amite bam, amite bas, amite bat, amite bamus, amite batis, amite ban. Well, we got to figure out which one means you. So you can see over here, you were losing is amite bas. That's the second person singular. So we know the ending is going to be bas. Let's look over here at what dormit turns into. See, dormiebat. Well, that's the third person singular. That's the one I give you for all 3 of these. We need to make the second person singular. So you replace this bot with bas, and that'll be your answer. So you were sleeping turns into dormiebas. All right. The rest of these will go much quicker. Oh, look at that. We were right. Okay. Next. Okay. They were fleeing. Okay. You can see up here is the See up here is the verb flees is fugit. They were fleeing, just like the last one. That's imperfect. We can tell because of the were xing here. So, and we know that this middle one right here is the imperfect form. Look down here. Oops. Look down here. We're looking for which one of these forms means that they are doing something. You can see down here, amite bant means they were losing. So we take fugiebat, replace it with our bant ending. Fugiebat means they were fleeing. Great. I slept. Okay, well that doesn't have a was or were in it, so we know it's not imperfect. Let's see. I slept. Well, we know sleeps is dormit, dormiebat, dormiwit. Slept. This is perfect tense. You can tell because it's happening in the past, but it doesn't have a was or were in front of it. So let's look at the perfect form. See which. Oops. Okay. I slept. Okay. We got I lost, you lost, he lost, we lost, y'all lost, them. Okay. So we got first person singular up here. Notice the ending is an I. You can repeat back to yourself for the perfect tense. E isti it emus istis erunt. I'm giving you the present, imperfect, and perfect over here. So notice how the form changes from dormit to dormiwit. It is the third person singular ending. We want to replace that with the first person singular ending. So our answer should be dormiwi. I have been afraid. Okay, so the perfect tense not just is translated as like slept or ran or hugged. It can also be have run or have have done something. So this is perfect tense. I'll leave this page open down here. So we want to say I have been afraid. Well, we got timet, timebat, and timuit. We know this third one is the perfect form. It has that U tense indicator in here that we talked about a while ago. So we want to say I have been afraid. We want to replace that IT, just like the last one, with I, or the sound E. So timuit will turn into timui. I've been afraid. Great. Okay. We were giving. Okay, well, that's back to the was or were Xing. See if you can, on your own, remember what the endings look like for the imperfect tense. We're giving. All right, so we go dot, dabat, dedit. We need dabat. So we're going to just dab on it. Woo! And we need to figure out what the rest of this is. So let's look. We have, I wrote dab, and then my computer freaked out. So in all the excitement. So picking up where we left off. All right, we were giving. We can look down on here at our example. Amitebam, amitebas, amitebat, amitebamus, amitebatis, amitebant. We see up here, bamus is we were losing. So we're going to want amiteb, or dabamus means we were giving. They fled. Okay, we see flees is down here. We know this third form is our perfect form. And as you can see, it's the same as the present form, but we are going to use a different set of endings than the present. So let us fold this back up. You can repeat back to yourself, e isti it imus istis erunt. If you can remember, they means third person plural, which will be the last thing. So our ending is going to be erunt, as you can see. So, oops. Okay, so they fled. So we take fugit, we get rid of the it, and we replace it with erunt, and that is our ending. All right. We were giving. I feel like I literally just did this one. Dabamus. Great. All right. Y'all were fleeing. Okay, we know this middle one is the imperfect. So we go fugie, and then we need to figure out what our ending is going to be. Bombas, bamus, batis, bant, second person plural. That's the last one, or the second to last one. Amite batis. So we want fugie batis. Means y'all. That batis means y'all. Okay. All right. She was being afraid. Was being. We know it's imperfect. We see timebat here, and he, she, or it. We know is third person singular, just right here. So actually, you can just write what's right there. Timebat. And that will be your answer, because that's third person singular. And that means he, she, or it, or the nominative noun is doing something. Was doing something. All right. I am afraid. We have present tense now. And it's happening currently. All right. So present tense. OST. Mustis unt. All right. First person singular. O for I. So I am afraid. We'll go from timet to timeo. All right. I gave. And we know that third form is the perfect form. Okay. We've had I in the perfect tense before, so I'm going to see if you can remember. The ending is going to be I. So I gave. We take that third form, dead it, and replace that it ending with just the I. So dedi, I gave. Good job. Self. Okay. You flee. That's happening now. That's perfect tense. Everybody pair with me. OST, mustis unt. We need second person, since it's you. Second person singular will be the second letter, which is S. So fugit should turn into fugis. Look at that. Okay. Sleeping, were sleeping. Okay, we know it's imperfect tense. Let's see up there. It's dormiebat. Bombas bat, bamus batis bat. Y'all is second person plural. So we know the ending is batis. They slept. That is perfect tense. Happened in the past. Happened once. Okay. They. E isti it imus istis erunt. Third person plural would be the last thing we said. So we know the ending is erunt. We take dormiwit. Take off that it and replace it with erunt. So we have dormi. Oops, I almost misspelled it. Dormiwerunt. Right. And then we give. That is present tense. We take dot, replace that t with ost, mustis unt. We is first person plural. That'll be mus. Oops. Oh, wrong way. Ooh. So the ending will be mus. So we take that t, turn it into a mus. We got damus. And that is it. Complete the test. You should be good to go, or it can glitch out on me like it's probably glitched out for some of y'all. If that's the case, I'm very sorry, but hopefully this was helpful for you. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions or if something was unclear.